Eureka 10.5 not only incorporates all the latest updates introduced in Eureka 10.3, but also introduces a range of new exclusive features and functionalities. The graphics rendering of the CNC machine has been significantly improved to enhance realism. The stock model is depicted with remarkable graphical precision and detail. The introduction of a new module called G-Code Assistant streamlines the process of creating and editing in C programs, significantly reducing the time required. The newly introduced Fanuc Bridge module establishes a direct connection with Fanuc controllers, enabling real-time simulations and accurate cycle time estimation. The tool library has been enriched with additional tools and enhanced functionalities, aimed at minimizing mouse clicks and enhancing overall flexibility. Eureka 10.5 features a multitude of enhancements designed specifically for multi-channel machines. Schedule your Eureka demo today.